Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Aim for at least 8 GB RAM for smooth multitasking on Windows 10. If you have only 4 GB, expect frequent slowdowns and swapping. Use an SSD instead of an HDD to cut boot times dramatically and improve app load times. Choose a 256 GB or 512 GB SSD, depending on storage needs. Set power plan to high performance to reduce CPU throttling for speed during active work. These basic hardware choices give the most noticeable uninstall unused programs and free up space with disk cleanup to recover gigabytes. Remove large installers and old games that occupy hundreds of megabytes or more. Disable startup apps in Task Manager to shorten boot time significantly and improve first-minute responsiveness. Run disk defragment for HDDs or trim for SSDs to maintain performance over time. Set page file to 1.5 times RAM when you have low physical memory to avoid out-of-memory slowdowns. Update drivers and Windows to maintain compatibility and performance improvements regularly. Use Device Manager or vendor tools to get the latest chipset and graphics drivers. Turn off visual effects and animations to gain CPU and GPU headroom and prioritize responsiveness. Limit background apps in settings to reduce constant CPU and network usage. Consider upgrading to an SSD and increase RAM to 16 GB for heavy workloads like editing or virtualization. These advanced tweaks extend the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.